Want to break free from the Instagram Reels time limits and share longer, more captivating content with your audience? First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Outdated versions might not support the longer Reels feature. Next, tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. It's the same one you use to create any other post or reel. From the options that appear, select Reel. This will open the Reels creation interface. Instead of recording directly within the app, tap the upload icon. It's typically found in the bottom left corner, and it looks like a square with a plus sign inside. This will open your phone's photo and video library. Find and select the longer video you wish to upload as a reel. Keep in mind that even with the extended length, Instagram Reels have a maximum duration of 90 seconds. Once you've selected your video, you may need to trim it to fit within the 90-second limit. Use the trimming tool at the bottom of the screen to choose the exact section you want to feature. Now, it's time to unleash your creativity. Add music, text overlays, stickers, filters, and any other effects you like to make your reel more engaging. When you're happy with your edits, tap the next button, usually located in the bottom right corner. On the share screen, write a compelling caption that grabs attention, add relevant hashtags to increase discoverability, and tag any relevant accounts. Finally, tap the share button to publish your longer reel to Instagram. Now you can share engaging videos with your followers. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.